Guess what I got in the mail just the other day? A Nintendo Switch 2 Pro Controller. You can see it's official by it saying Nintendo Switch 2. Because I actually didn't know this, but the non-official ones aren't allowed to officially say that they're Nintendo Switch 2 officially. Some do, I believe, but they aren't supposed to. Now, admittably, I did have to clip the video a little bit there to take these annoying sticky things off. It took a lot longer than I should be comfortable admitting to do so. But now, because of it, we can hopefully unbox this just fine. Okay, and now we will hopefully take the controller out the correct way. Okay, this is the correct way, which makes sense because it is also the front of it. Okay, and I just say this is better unboxings than I normally do on my tech channel. So, yeah, we get the cord. Okay, so this is the cord that is used to charge the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. And this is the controller itself. You guys are going to get my first impressions of it in general. The feel of it and everything. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and open it, shall we? Ooh, ooh, huh? Okay, okay. Not sure how I feel about the white bit on top, but can I just say this feels smooth? I'm not gonna lie, this feels very smooth. Okay, okay. Is it weird to already? Ooh, the buttons. Okay, okay. Is it weird? Yeah, it's probably a little bit weird. Because these buttons, they are just, I don't know how to explain it. Let me get the old Pro controller real quick. And by old, I mean Nintendo Switch 1 Pro controller. These are noisy and clanky. I don't think you guys can hear it. I'm not sure. But these, trust me, are quiet and but now plus the buttons there's a button on the back. Yeah, for on each side. Whereas the Nintendo Switch 1 Pro controller did not have anything on the back other than the official Nintendo thing, which this has as well. So, yeah. I really, really, really like this. Okay, well, that was it for the unboxing. Right? Hopefully you guys enjoyed that unboxing. If you guys did, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.